This is the new Timebar with Tentacle Sync. I'm here with Maximilian. This is an incredible, revolutionary device. You can take the chorus part of a song or a second verse if the musician made a mistake and flubbed the words or did some wrong movements or the shadows are wrong or whatever. You love the take, but you just want to fix that little certain part. You push stop recording, you reset on the time bar, and it goes back 10 seconds, so you have a 10-second buffer. You hit record.
During this time, yes.
On your camera again. It leads in with 10 seconds so the musician knows what they need to do, what movements they need to do, and you nail the shot. In perfect sync. This is revolutionary, this is incredible, this is going to change the music industry for sure.
You can repeat it as often you like to.
As many times.
Yeah, as many you need.
I'm talking too much, so can you please tell me, am I saying this correctly or incorrectly?
No, this was correct.
Okay.
But no, it was correct. So yeah, you load in any file you want to play back, and then it will always start anytime with a pre-roll of 10 seconds, and you can cue in at any point of this music clip, and then it's the same time code. In the editing tool you will have all the files aligned in the same spot, and then it's quite easy to find the right angle.
Thank you so much, Tentacle Sync. You guys, more power to Tentacle Sync. They have just changed so many lives. They're probably one of the best companies in the world, honestly. Great customer service. Eula is amazing. Max is amazing. Nadine is amazing. Rula is amazing. Everybody. These people are incredible.